Hello, Guilford Merchants Association. This is Avish Parashar, and I am so excited to be presenting for you on September 2nd. I'm going to be presenting my program on the power of saying yes and how to improvise, adapt, and communicate more effectively in an ever-changing world. Now, my background is in improvisational comedy, and the idea of saying yes and instead of yes but comes from that world. And I'm going to show you how you can take that idea and apply it in your own life, in the real world, in order to be more effective, to find opportunity to change, to lower stress levels, and to communicate more effectively with customers, clients, staff, and everyone around you. Now, the program is going to be high energy. It's going to be funny. And yes, I'm going to perform interactive improv comedy even in a virtual format. It will be interactive, but don't worry. I won't ask you to turn on your camera or turn on your mic. We're going to do a lot of things via chat. I'm going to play. We're going to have a great time. But most importantly, you will walk away with things you can apply right away to be more creative, to shift how you think about change, and to start finding opportunity so you come out of the situation well ahead of where you were when everything started.